this this is just some of the medication that I have in Canada. And this is just a few. The break from top out there, so have half. The medicine chest in the bathroom have half. And one of the barrel where I come down, almost half of the barrel is medication. So these are just the little emergency ones that we carry. And when I look at all these medications, I said to my husband that this don't make no sense. Staying in Canada with so much illness, it don't make no sense. And we decided to come up. It look like say them pull up all this. What it look like say? It look like them do all kind of things with the medication them to come through the airport, you know. So for those of you who are right to tell me say me not sick, me come to Jamaica because me want to come beg. Uno reasoning, uno line of reasoning, uno line of reasoning, it just don't make any sense. Somebody sent me one message to take something this morning. I have that medicine there, you know, with the person said to take, but me can't find it. So it look like that medicine there. It look like that medicine there in the barrel. I come down. It look like it a come down. Somebody said me if you take the B complex. And I never remember that when I met a strokes years back, the only thing that could have helped me during my strokes was the B complex. And somebody sent me a message this morning reminding me of the B complex. I never remember say if you take the B complex. So no, alright. Good. I have a lot of where I block off on my WhatsApp and block off on my page because I don't lie. You see, credibility issues, me not play with it. When people come through as not speaking truth and all of that, when I realize I don't lie and I not talk truth, me don't want to have nothing to do with it. No. Me not deal with credibility issues. And a lot of no lie and no lie for no reason at all. And me can't deal with it.